Well, welcome back to Inwood, boys. Friggin' our buds down at EcoFlow sent us a new EcoFlow Max, and a EcoFlow Alternator Charger. So friggin' rates for that, 8 times faster, 3-in-1 different things. So this video is sponsored by EcoFlow, and we'll get into that later on. Stay tuned. Well, I wasn't gonna film any of this because who gives a shit about doing the brakes on an absolute garbage car. But unorthodox situation we found ourselves in. Like, we had a terrible shimberly, and I thought, man, like the ball joints, I think we did a tie rod end on this. I mean, it was dick, but like I'm thinking, what's wrong with this thing? It's totally dicked. Well, I just happened to notice when I was smearing stuff on there, I was like, well, that looks like one of those screws been drilled out, but it's not flush, right? It's slightly proud, and that's great if you line it up with one of those guys. But if you look real close, real close, you can see there's a little indentation right there. So it's like I thought, the rotor's dicked, everything's cocked, but turns out I bet you about half a pack of Sagerts. That's what the problem was the whole time. Fuck up, boys. Now I'm paying the consequences. Friggin' this is like $275 for front brakes on this thing. I already did front brakes when I did the tie rod end. So hope you're happy. If you guys always want to work safe, you always want to make sure you're safe. Whatever you're working on is properly supported. You want to make sure that, but you definitely want to make sure your guys lined up with the guys so your brakes aren't totally decked. I never would have guessed in a million years anything of the sort. Well, maybe not in a million years, but 47. You're going to see what a 47-year-old can do, bud. You know what I mean? I apologize. Small outburst, no big deal. Good jack. Oh, hey you guys, it turns out I don't know very much stuff, but I'm not spending $300 on front brakes for this car. I can assure you of this. So I tried to just align it with the pin. Remember, the pin was coming out a little bit. I thought it worked for half a stop. It worked pretty good, but then when we got to a full stop, no work no more. Oh dear. Tot. Oh, you guys aren't even looking. Where are you guys fucking looking? What are you doing? Holy fuck, you guys. You on the pops? But yeah, they probably had a too muchy pre-roll and now they don't think right. Hey? Okay, what do we got here? Not cool, felon. You didn't tighten that up enough. Almost killed me. This isn't even working. This is so f***ed. Oh my god. I'm just wrecking my fucking shit for this. Let's look and see what we've done here. This isn't good. That's wild. It was all just rusty. If it was like, I think this was manufacturer's defect. Look at that.
Like all the pits.
Yeah. Look at that. Are you looking? Oh my god.
Yeah, you even saw it in this.
Oh, that's subpar quality right there. I don't know what to do. If we should just maybe palm sander that. I don't know.
There's a ridge there.
Yeah. But you know,
Right here, it goes all the way here. So that might be a an issue right there.
yeah.
And it's fucking breaking. It's catching that, and it's yeah. Right, and there's another one there. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. But like that's the stuff that was coming off it though, right? Like it's like it was just like flat.
Yeah, like
rust pieces. Like it was like it got down to a certain layer. Like even right there, you can see it looks almost like you know, there's like a layer there on top of that, right?
Yeah, like it looks like there's a seam that you can get under.
Mm-hmm. Right. That's manufacturer defect right there. I gotta call the parts stick right now. Complain.
Tell them Ford no good.
Ford no good.
I could peel that with my fingernail, man.
No.
On the edge, yeah.
Come on.
That's not good at all, man. I'm peeling that with my fingernail.
Yeah, I'm calling manufacturer defect on that. Look at it. There's like a big strip all the way along in that manufacturer defect right there. Yep.
I don't think it's supposed to be layered, is it?
And just like that, little lathe work, she's good as new. Okay? A little lathe work's good as new, but yeah, now that other rotor was factory defect. Well, this one's not even bad. Look at this one. That's crazy. There's nothing wrong with this. Okay, that's like nice even wears. It's not all chowdered. That's what the other one should look like. Like I just replaced them.
Interesting technique, I think.
Yeah, wrench tech.
No, I don't think that would work. But
You just gotta
get your fingers right in there.
imagine those your butt. You know what I mean? Fuck. I just fucking two-finger you like three fucking biscuits. Holy shit.
Shit would be just
dropping
right out.
You would definitely have issues.
Yeah.
There would be issues. No slow drive-bys in inwood. Just get on your way.
Yeah.
Just get on your way. We don't do that here. God. So we got the brakes all fixed up there. 0 deviations now, so that's what it was the whole time. Just totally cocked over the program with faulty components. Eh? Probably had the faulty components on there. The one was all right, but the driver's side was completely dicked. So we tracked that down. But check this out, EcoFlow. You hook this guy up to your battery. I mean, obviously you're going to want to do a little better job than this, but like you can't drive it around with this thing on the ground, so you got to, you know, run the wires into your car. But I put the heater onto it to drop her down to the 30 percentile. Can you even see that? There we go. Dropped her down to the 30 percentile. So apparently this thing will charge it like 8 times more fast you can. It's got a little red light on it, looks like, too, so looks like we're ready to rock here. So I don't know. Start the car, see what happens. Car's got a terrible exhaust leak, so. But I found out a new way how to voice Marmaduke my Vincia. I already tried it out. It seems to work. Oh yeah. One of the biggest features of the Delta 2 Max is the ability to fully charge in just 2.6 hours. Keeps going up. $800. Looks like its charger charges at 800 watts. I think something just pissed on me. Did you herk on me? Oh my god. You just herked on me.
I didn't do it.
Someone just herked on me. For sakes. I'm gonna get a wipe. But yeah, that's the son of a bitch right there. 3-in-1 battery jet, 800 watts. Hey, we verified the 800 watts, 1.3 hours to charge, 8 times faster, 3-in-1. Battery and carrier solution, so you can just like have this thing, you know, plugged into your car. Fort Wit, right? Alternator charges the guy, and then you've got constant powers in there, big time, for running different things. I love having these boxes. Even, you know, we just got back from camping there and we're freaking running the whole operations off the battery. Everybody else they're dicked. They're running generators and making all kinds of noise, pissing everybody off. Quiet, just don't make no noise. So, more better. More better. But, yeah, these, I try to get them to, send you guys a box. I says, you know, send me one to test out and send me another one to give away. And they weren't too keen on that, but they want to pick 5 dicks. 5 dicks to win, like a battery charger thing. I'll put a picture of it up. But it's a phone charger or whatever, USB-C, 100 watt, something 65 watt, this and that or whatever. So, you know, leave a comment, try to leave a comment, not only on this video, but other videos, because of course we got all type of stuff to give away. I told you before, lasers. There's a laser right there. It's like a transom, whatever you want to call it. But way more better, and some other stuff too. When these dicks want to send me stuff, I like, you know, sure, but you got to send me something to give away too, for accordance for you guys. You know what I mean? I just need likes and shares and comments. That's it. Before we get in the YouTube rhythms, you know what I mean? The more you comment on all the bitches, right? Then the more likely I'm gonna be to pick you. You know what I mean? Or you know how bad I love pecking. Okay, so we'll we'll try to do something like that. And I'd like to say, I tried to get them to send a box, but you know, a box is like 11 million, and we don't, you know, they're not trying to send a box. They're just trying to send 5 dicks phone chargers. 5 dicks can win a phone charger, so that's awesome. If you want to do the qualifications for that, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the brake job, the faulty components. What do you think about that? Hey, look at this. Just totally dickered. Like, why would there be scabs and flakes and all type of deviations in the surface of your brake? And then I'm thinking to myself, well, you know, I just did the brakes, so how dicked could they be? You know what I mean? I did the tie rod end and a couple things, and they're still dicked. Nope, totally faulty components. Mama Stokovich, but yeah, car's ready to rock now. If you hook that son of a bitch up into your program, so you're already at 33%. The thing's just charging relentless. Just relentless. Oh, and the light's green on that now, so that's good. It's got your different plugs so you don't hitches on them, so you don't mix it up. It's even got the friggin' Wi-Fi's and some type of internet signal or something. I don't know what that is. Crazy. So you can really monitor your progress there or something probably. But anyways, I'm gonna shut this off and we'll finish my movie here. Good thing to, you know, have working brakes though, especially in Inwood. Sometimes we don't like to stop too good. But yeah, there you go, EcoFlow Power Max 2017 or something. I don't know what it is. What is it? Yeah, EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Put the link in the description, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want to freaking try to win a phone charger. And like I said before, I got more lasers and I don't know, there's all kinds of stuff, lasers and stuff that we gotta give away too. So I've been telling Dick, say, you know, I'll make a video about your thing, but we gotta give something away to the dicks, right? Because nobody wants to watch that. Who wants to watch that? Oh, look what I got. Look at me go. You know what I mean? I want you guys to have stuff like that too. It'd be awesome. It'd be fucking awesome. Okay, but anyways, I go.